Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the D4D Access tutorial on how to contribute to the D4D Access knowledge platform. My name is Maxime Hendricks, and I'm a part of the AU D4D Hub project. So let's get going. First of all, this is the homepage, the D4D Access homepage. And if you want to contribute to this platform, you simply click on the third tab, which is Contribute. When you scroll down, you can see the first information that we need, and it's information that is related to you. So we need your first name, your last name, and your email address, because we need to be able to contact you just in case we have any questions or comments on the knowledge product that you have submitted. Moving on, we go to the knowledge product details. And so here we have the title, of course, the subtitle, we have the publication date of the knowledge product, and also a summary or an abstract with a featured image. It's important to keep the abstract or the summary as short as possible, but still conveying the main messages that you want users or visitors to see. And I'll just give you an example of how this looks like. There we are. This is when we are in the knowledge product database. So we have the featured image, we have the title, and we also have the summary. So very important that you already share some key messages there in order to attract users or visitors to your knowledge product. Going back to the form, scroll down a little bit. You can also add the country or the countries that are mentioned or that are relevant for the knowledge product. For instance, if you want to share a study on a specific country or two countries, you can just add them. I'll just pick a random example and Kenya. And so you can add several countries, but please stick to those that are most relevant to the audience of the D4D Access knowledge platform. Then we can also add the type of product. We can have more than one again. We have case studies, we have event recordings or guidelines, whatever is most relevant for your knowledge product. We also have areas of expertise. Let's say that the random knowledge product that we are submitting is about connectivity and it's about digital financial services. You can also add your target audience, so let's say private sector and government and public institutions, and the format of the content, whether it's a multimedia story, it's a study, a video, and so on. So here we'll just randomly pick study. And then for the languages, you have two options. It's or English or French. And please note that if you select English, for instance, you can add a French translation afterwards and vice versa. Going to description, this is actually the body of your knowledge product. So it's very important here when you write an article or a blog that here all the information is included. If you want to embed a video or a podcast or something else, then the description will probably be a bit shorter. But you can just add the URL to the description box here. We will make sure that it will be embedded later on. You can also provide information on copyrights, so on the authors, the references, the citations, and so on. And you can also add one or several authors. So here, test one and test two, for instance. If you want, you can add a video. So if you don't have a URL or a link to a video, you can add a video, and you can also provide us with a caption. Now, here you have the files to download section where you can share any other document that might be relevant for this knowledge product. And this ranges from pictures to audio documents to PDFs and so on and so on. We will look at them and see whether they are relevant, and if possible, we will integrate them in the knowledge product as well. And then finally, you can also add your logo, so your organizational logo, which will be displayed at the bottom of your knowledge product, and you can add a number of them as well in case this is the fruit of a collaboration of several organizations. Before you can submit, you need to tick the two boxes regarding the declaration of having a permission from the authors and the subjects, and also to confirm that you have read and agree with the data privacy statement. Both of these elements can be found at the bottom of the page or also on the home page. Here you have the option to save and submit. In case you have a French translation, you save, submit, and you can also add the French translation. In case you start With the French version, you can always add, of course, a English translation. So this was it. I hope this tutorial, or we hope that this tutorial was useful to you. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us through the contact details that I mentioned on the platform. And we really hope to be seeing and receiving a lot of knowledge products from your side. Thank you very much and have a good day.